guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a teeth whitening update type of video. So basically my problem lately is that as I get older, my teeth are getting more sensitive to things, which I never really had that problem before. My gums are getting more sensitive now that I'm hitting my 30s. It's a sad situation. So I've been looking on Amazon to find something that's way more affordable and something that's a little bit more sensitive to what I have going on. I used to use strips and different methods, and they used to work for me back when I was younger and didn't have these issues, but now that I'm older and I have more sensitivity, they are not happening for me. So I started looking on Amazon, and then I started doing different research, and I didn't know it's important after the treatment to have something that will remineralize it for your teeth to help protect them, and something that's going to desensitize them and remineralize them. I didn't know that was a thing. So once I started getting into it and reading more about it, I realized that, okay, this is what I need for me, and nothing else really on the market had that. And I found iSmile, which is new and from California, and like I said, I found it on Amazon, which is great. What I think is really cool, this is my favorite part about it, you guys are gonna laugh at me, but I've never seen any other teeth whitening product do this. So usually what annoys me is that sometimes with other products, they have like the button that lights it up. Well, when you throw that into your nightstand or your drawers, if you're like me and you put way too much stuff in it, sometimes other products will hit that this little guy, like the button on it, and then it'll stay lit up and then it won't go off, and then it kills your battery instantly. So when you go to use it, it doesn't work. What's cool about this one is that it can go right into your phone. It can go right into like a port. So it comes with this guy, but then it comes with these, so you could charge it right in your phone. So you could basically do it while you're at the gym. You could do it while you're in the car pickup line. You could really do it anywhere if you're waiting at the airport. You could go hit a quick one after lunch if you're on your first date and you feel like you got some peach fuzz on there. Whatever, you do you. So I was excited. I thought that was really cool because I can't tell you how many times I've killed my other teeth whitening batteries, and that's super annoying. Or if you have kids and they like to play with the blue light and just hit the button 85 times till it dies, you know? So that's cool that you don't have to charge it. And then it comes with 3 pens. It comes with the desensitizing pen that you use after, so it's really awesome. So something else that I read was a little bit different about this one too. You guys probably seen on my Instagram that I talk about LED lights. I do the big LED light, the red one, because the red one kills bad bacteria, which makes you not break out. And then the blue one also does kind of the same thing. It's really good for your skin. It's like the new thing, the new trend, and I swear by it. So what's cool about these guys is that this has a red and blue light that are all worked in here. So when it does your teeth, the LED lights, the red and the blue, are gonna help kill bad bacteria. So it's gonna kill like tartar and all that kind of build up gunk in there that causes bad breath. So not only are you whitening your teeth, you're also, you know, keeping your mouth nice and healthy. So I swear by LED lights. I'll link it below if you guys wanna watch my LED light videos about your skin too. LED is so good for your soul. It's so good for you. Everyone needs to know about LED lights. Red light also too is good for promoting tissue repair, which is why I say it's so good for your skin, but it's going to be good for in your mouth too, especially if you have sensitivity, because it's going to help repair everything, especially if you've used other teeth whitening type of things and they kind of messed up your gums or broke your enamel down, things like that. This is going to help repair the tooth and help repair all the tissues. A lot of people use red lights too for like scar tissue, like in their body. They also use red lights for obviously like wrinkles, things like that, for burns, dark spots like freckles. So red lights are super, super repairing. So basically you're gonna take your little light and then you can put it right into your computer, or you could take this guy and put it right into your cell phone. Then you're gonna put the whitening treatment right on your teeth. Put it in your mouth, you pop it in for 15 minutes. So it goes on for 15 minutes and it turns off after 15 minutes. So it's great that you don't have to remember, because I get caught up to where I'm like, oh, I definitely did it for 15 minutes. And then it turns out I did it for like 5 minutes. So it's cool that it just does it on its own. You don't gotta think about anything. I do this sometimes if I'm doing the dishes. I'll do it if I have to like drive a little bit of a distance. And I'm a multitasker. When you have kids, you have to multitask because you don't have a lot of time for yourself. So I love, love, love this. I throw it into my purse. It's awesome. When you finish up with that, you pop on the tooth desensitizing pen, which I love. This is what basically it made me buy the kit and try it out, because again, my teeth, like, it just can't handle whitening like it used to. So I really live by this. So I'll leave a link below. Oh, another thing that I thought was awesome is that there is a 30-day money back. So if you don't like it or it doesn't work for you, or if you still have sensitive teeth after this, they will give you your money back 100%. So I hope you guys like this video, and let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you soon.